Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today in the lesson federalism, our topic is how federalism practice. And this main topic, the subtopics are there, linguistic states, and we will discuss here why there is need to make the new states and what was the advantage to formation of these new states. Let's we see. In the first, we will bring some light on these two sentences. The real success of federalism can be attributed on the democratic Indian politics. And second thing is that this ensure the spirit of federalism, respect for diversity, and that is very important things, desire for live together in the country. These are very, very important things, and all these things are the key features. All these things are the ideal of successful federalism. So students, this is the kind of way where the federalism has been proposed in such a new way, because in India the Constitution of India has not adopted the federalism. Only the principles of the federalism has been adopted in the Indian Constitution. So there are so many new things has to be introduced in Indian federalism, and this has made the new way of the federalism, such as that is very important things, the respect for diversity and desire for living together is the new way, and these are the ideals for the new way of the federalism in the country. How and what we have made in the Indian federalism, and what are these new experiment, new tests, let's we see. So student, India got freedom on 1947. That time very few states were there. Maybe that 14 states were there. These were known as provinces, and near about the 7 territories. But these has been adopted after the new way in 1956, and many of the new experiment has been made also in India. But there was a kind of demand for the formation of new state was raised in India time to time. So 2020, what we are seeing here, 29 states and more than 7 union territories. So these are the new composition in India. why these new constitution of India was made? Because the demand was made in the beginning for the formation of new states, because at that time 563 princely states, and there were the three type of the you will say territories. One, British loyalty territory. Second, princely states. And third, French, Portuguese loyal territories. So these were some things, and these three type of the territories had to merge in the Indian Confederation. So the new type of the states were made, and as you can see in the map, the first state of India which was made, it was the Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see well, it was the first state was formed on the basis of language, on the basis of Telugu language, and from the states, these are the area of the Mysore states, where the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and such part of the Goa also there. So they were separated from this area. So Telugu was the language for the formation of Andhra Pradesh, and many other states were made later, such as you can see well in the Haryana and Punjab. Haryana and Punjab, they were formed on the basis of language also. Punjabi and Haryanavi, that language, these were the region of the formation of state from the Punjab, and Haryana was the state which was formed. You can see well 1971, 25 January. This was the Haryana which was made from the Punjab, and Punjab which was made in the year 1 November 1966. So you can see well. So many of the other states were made on the basis of culture, ethnicity and geography. These were the states which were made from the 1999 to 2000 year. These were the three states. One was Uttarakhand, second was Jharkhand, and third was Chhattisgarh. And these were the series of formation of new state was continued in future also. And even last 2 years ago, the one state also formed there in 2014. It was the Telangana. It was made from the Andhra Pradesh. It was made on the 2 June 2014, and it was based on the different type of the other region also, because there are not only the one region to make the states, not only the language but also the different other parameter, language, culture, resources, boundaries, ethnicity and many of the other regions. But many of the things has been seen during this time. When these states were formed, so one committee was made, JVP, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabhi Sitaramayya. These nationalists were fearful for the formation of new states on the basis of language and other parameter. What was their dilemma? Their dilemma was that this situation led the country towards the disintegration, means many of the other states also demanded for the same region, and this will also lead the condition toward the disintegration, means India would move towards the disintegrated parts, means many of the other states also demanded for the separation from the India also, such as Jammu Kashmir and many of the other states, because beginning Jammu Kashmir, Junagadh and Hyderabad and Bhopal, these were some kind of the princely states. They demanded not to join in with India, but due to the efforts of Vallabhbhai Patel, he was known as the Iron Man of India, and many of these states were merged, and Jammu Kashmir and his king take the decision very later, because his dream was to make the Jammu Kashmir as the Switzerland of India, and he wanted also to make a new country also from India. But he take the decision very later to merge in India when he heard that Pakistani forces had attacked on Indian mainland. So this situation has made the condition very poor, and we have faced the problem of Jammu Kashmir last 70 years. This condition has been improved, this condition has been changed, or I will say removed totally from the Indian democracy, because when the Modi government has taken their charges and they had taken some improvement and amendment in the Indian constitution, and so many kind of these steps has been taken by this government. So this is a kind of good way. But if the study has been seen, the formation of new state will make the administration much easier, and very important things, and make the country more united. Why? Because their issues has been solved in the countries by the government. So why they move on the movement? Why they move to make the pressure groups? Because if they have given the right to make their own states on their language, because language where they are living, if they are facing the kind of discouragement not to speak their own languages, because so many other languages are spoken in that area, so that language will be we'll say pressurized or discouraged. In such a way, they move towards the movements, they move towards the kind of protestation. But this country where this kind of the process has been made, so it make the work very easier in the country. So this was the first and major test in the democracy. It is the first and major test in the democracies. And State Reorganization Commission was made in the country, and which has made the efforts of the country in a very systematic way. The State Reorganization Commission was made November 1, 1956. 1 November 1956, it was the time when the SRC was made, State Reorganization Commission was made on that time, and Vallabhbhai Patel was the head of this commission. So we can say that all these things had made the country's democratic system, country's federal system much easier. And in future many of the state will be also formed, because a smaller state has a lot of you will say kind of the possibilities to run the government very easier way, because big state cannot run the easy government, cannot bring any kind of the large population which is living in the big states, and one government cannot bring the lot of development for the large section of the people, large categories of the people in a big state. As we can say, in some state which are very smaller, there we have seen that there is a lot of development, and big state they are facing their different type of the problem. Their problem is based on the language, their problem is based on the resources, their problem is based on many kind of the other reason. So hope all the students could understand well all these topics, and hope. And very important things, when the JVP committee was made, so formation of the new state was stopped for some time, but experience shows in the Indian Federation that this step had made the democratic system of the countries much easier, and many of the people they have found that their situation become very comfortable to live in the Indian democratic system, Indian federal system, because their voice has not been discouraged. They are not facing any kind of the discouragement from the government of India. So hope all the students are getting well this lecture. And student, मैं आपसे कुछ चीज़ें क्लियर तरीके से कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको बोली जा रही हैं, ये इसमें अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको लगती है तो आप इसमें अपने कमेंट दे सकते हैं कि भाई यहाँ पर आपको वो चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.